Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add a new identity to the Bitwarden browser extension. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Bitwarden extension. Then I'm going to click on the plus icon in the vault. So we're going to select vault first and then click the plus icon. And here we're going to select identity and name your item, so where the identity is going to be saved. So identity test, I'm going to name it like that. You can add it to a folder so it's easier to find. And here you're just going to fill out all of the details of the identity that you need, like addresses, contact info, identification, personal details, and just fill those out. And once you've done that, you don't have to fill out everything, just fill out the necessary stuff. And then once you've done that, you can just press save, and your item will be saved in a folder or under identities. So depending if you chose a folder or not. So as you can see, I have identity test. And there we go, it's working now. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.